it's Wangui here, and if you're new to my channel, I create content around cooking, cleaning and organization. I also do a day in the life vlogs and hauls. Today's video is a haul from House of Leather. House of Leather is a store that stocks houseware items and organization items. It has gifts, it has leather products. It's just a one-stop shop for home essentials. So I visited House of Leather a few days ago and I got a few items, and I thought, why not do a haul for you guys and show you what I got. So I am going to tell you what I bought and how much it cost me. Then we will see how much that costed in total. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Also, please like this video and help it reach more people. Share it with your friends that you think might benefit from this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your favorite item in the haul, and yeah, let's interact. So I'm going to start with this frame. So I got 3 picture frames in this size. I bought them with an intention to use them on the TV wall, which is right next to me here. I thought this would be nice, and I love the neutral tones it has. Well, I was looking for totally black ones or totally white ones, but they didn't have those in stock, so I thought of picking this one with a neutral woody tone. This looks like it's wooded, but I don't think it is. Yeah, so I got these 3. Each costed me 600 bob, so for 3 I got them at 1800 bob. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to design the inserts. I'm going to design them on Canva, the site that I use to design my YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to design them and look for nice pictures or words or quotes. I don't know, I haven't yet decided what I want to put in this, but I'm going to decide and then design that, then go and print them from a print shop with a good quality paper. Then I'll come cut and do that. I'm sure I'll share that in a vlog soon, so yeah, watch out for that. So I got 3, and I also got 2 more, 2 that are huge. This is now the A4. It's a bit taller than this one, so as you can see, the width is the same, but the height of this is more. So this I intend to use above these 3, so I'll have 3 at the bottom, then 1 on each side of the TV, and then there's a provision for a light where the TV is, so I'll put a nice down light from on the wall. I'll put a nice down light on the wall. Then these 2 frames will go on the side, the light will be in the middle, and then the 3 frames will go below this. So I have kind of a vision that I haven't even thought about really in detail, but I'll see how that works, and of course I'm going to share with you how I designed that. So I got those frames. The A4 ones also costed me 600 bob, so for all I paid 600 by 5, 3,000 shillings. Next up, I got these table mats in gray. I was hoping to find white ones because goodness, I always buy white stuff, but I couldn't find any white stuff. And I got a new coffee table, which I will be sharing with you soon. I got a new coffee table and I don't want it to like get stained, get food stains, get scratched. So I got this so that when we are eating, we can use this to, you know, place our plates on and avoid scratching the surface of the coffee table. So I got 2, each was 200 shillings. So for both I paid 400 bob. So these were in a runner design, so the guys there cut them for me in this size, which I think is the standard size. So yeah, so 2 table mats just to use every day when we are eating or when we need to place things on the coffee table. We can use these ones. Next up, I got these containers, which are really nice for organizing. I have several of these around the house, but I have them in white. They didn't have them in pure white, so I got the gray white combo ones. These are of a good size, so I got one for my makeup brushes, then the other one for knickknacks like nail cutters, nail files, just scissors, just random items that I use on a regular basis. Then this one I will see what to do with. I just got 3 because I have like 2 more that I'm using around the house, but they aren't enough, so I still need to unpack a few items and store them in these containers. Each was 150 shillings, so I paid 450 shillings for the 3. Then I got this kitchen towel holder. This goes inside your cabinet or on a surface that is this thick, so that the only part that is left outside the cabinet is just this rod here. This is the only part that is left outside, then you can put your towel inside. So yeah, I got this for the kitchen because I have been meaning to buy one, and I didn't want the one that stands on the counter because I don't have enough counter space. So I wanted one that I would hang, like I would fit in the cabinet and, you know, just save on space. So this was 600 shillings, which I thought was a bit expensive, but because I really needed one, I thought of just getting it. It came in white and in gold, I think, and in black, and this was the only black left, so I picked it. Yeah, I liked the black one better than the white one because the white was not pure white, it was like an ivory or a cream, so I loved this more. Then I also got a small glass decor piece. I would say it's a bowl. I would say it's a glass bowl. This is how it looks like. So I have another one like this, and that's why I got another one, so that I can have 2. I intend on adding some rocks or some decorative things inside it and use it to style my TV stand, which I will share in a video soon. But yeah, this is one of the pieces I got, and this cost me 200 shillings from House of Leather. So yeah, 200 bob. Lovely. Then let's keep going. I got this cushion sheet. This is the one you use to organize. This is the one you use to lay on your cabinets when you want to organize like plates and cups and all, and it's easy to clean. So I got this as a roll so that I can measure and cut according to the measurements inside my cabinet, so that I can organize my utensils and my pantry, which is a cabinet. Next up, I got this pepper and salt shaker combo. It comes in 2 pieces. It comes as a set of 2. Goodness, it's not opening, and they are so cute. They are so cute. This is how they look like. So they have 3 holes. So this set was paired with one that had 1 hole and the other one had 3 holes, but I requested them to have me take the ones with 3 holes so that I can use them both for salt. So I can use one for herbal salt and the other one for regular salt. So I got these 2. They both have 3 holes, and each was 200 bob, I guess. Yeah, each was 200 bob. So, and they are really nice. They are ceramic, so quite good quality, and they are nice and white like the decor in my house. So yeah, so some salt shakers. Then I got this spray bottle. It was 200 shillings yeah, from the plastic section. I got this purposely for my plants. My plants are dirty, like they tend to get dusty, and they need something that I can spray water on and then wipe. So this is why I got this spray bottle, and also because, and I even wish I got 2 because I need one to like use with a vinegar mix for cleaning the house, but I will buy one as soon as I find one. But for now, this I will use for cleaning my plants and to just spritz some water on the leaves. Yeah, 200 bob. Then I got this bath net. Is it net? What's the name of this for scrubbing your back? I got this. I don't like showering with towels because I don't feel like I am scrubbing my body well. So I got this, and I have the other round ones. So yeah, this is purposely for the back. Yeah, this was 200 shillings. I think it was less than that, but yeah, this was the only color I liked. The others were greens and pinks and blues, so I got this because it has a soft color. Yeah. Then I got some rocks. House of Leather usually packs rocks in small bags, and they come in very many colors, so you can choose whatever you want. So I got these black rocks to put in this glass bowl and then display on my TV stand. So yeah, so I'll do that and I will show you how that turns out in a video coming soon or in one of the vlogs. But yeah, that's why I got this. This whole bag was 150 bob of black marble. They are marble-ish, they are matte kind of rocks, so I quite like that. So some rocks. Then I got this vase. This is a vase, I guess. Is it a vase? It's a small short vase, round in shape, and it has a really nice texture, wavy texture on the side, which I really like. I intend to use this on the coffee table just for decoration. I am very minimal when it comes to decorative pieces because I just don't like overcrowding my spaces with small items. So this will be enough to decorate the coffee table. It has a brown mat on top, so I'll just place this vase on top and it will work. This was 400 shillings. Yeah, I think it was 400 shillings. Then I got a bath mat. In a creamish whitish color, which works perfectly for the bathroom. So I always like this mat because I have a fear of falling down when I step on slippery surfaces, and I hate wearing slippers to the bathroom. I don't know why. I hate having to shower with slippers on, so I prefer using a bath mat. So this I got for the bathroom, and it was, how much was this? It was 800 shillings. Quite expensive if you ask me, but it looks like it's very good quality and it doesn't look like it's gonna tear or, you know, just wear quickly. So I love it. 800 bob for a mat, and it came with a small baby. Here she is. She's blue in color. There were like other luminous colors, luminous pink and greens, and I thought the blue one was at least, you know, better. I don't even know where I'm gonna use this one. I actually don't know. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I had to take it because it was a gift. Then we're almost done. I didn't buy so much. We're almost done. I got these baskets. You guys have seen these baskets in my videos before. This I used to style the bathroom in the previous house, but here I have used them to style the wardrobe space that was open. If you watched my empty house tour, then you must have seen that space that I'm talking about. It's an open space towards the end of the wardrobe, which I have used to organize like my skincare products, my hair care products, my knickknacks for like getting ready, combs and brushes and all. So I got 2 more because I have 4 there, and the shelves are 4, so I need 2 on each shelf, and then the top shelf I'll keep it open to organize my handbags. So I got 2 to fill up the one shelf that doesn't have anything yet. Then I can decide what to put inside each. Maybe I'll put maybe cotton pads, I don't know, and then this one maybe toilet paper, I don't know. I will decide what to use for this. So 2 each was 300 bob, which I find expensive a bit, but considering the quality and knowing that I have been with those ones for almost 2 years, then yeah, it's worth the buy. And they are pretty cute. They are so cute. So I got 2. I always buy things in pairs. Yeah, I love that. Last but not least is this small bin that I got for using at the sink, at the hand wash sink, because I tone my skin with cotton pads, you know, I wipe my forehead, I just have a lot of paper towels to throw and cotton buds and cotton rounds to throw in a bin. So this is why I got this, because I didn't want to like keep that area without a bin. Sometimes you might need to use like face wipes, you know, so I got it and I love it. It's beautiful and it's small for that space because I don't need a huge bin, so works perfectly fine. And I can't remember how much this bin was. I think it was 400 bob. 300 bob. I honestly cannot remember. So yeah, so that is all I got from House of Leather. Yeah, the branch I went to is the Mwindimbingu Street in town. I know that one isn't as stocked as the one in Westlands, and I think which other one? I don't know the others, but yeah, I don't think it was quite stocked, but at least I got everything that I needed to buy. The only thing I didn't find is the storage rack that comes in this design that you can fit inside your cabinet and create more space to like organize plates. If I find it, I will share with you guys, but yeah, I didn't find it in that branch. So yeah, so that is all I got from House of Leather. So yeah, so that is all I got from House of Leather. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you can find these items in the House of Leather that is near you or the one you can access. So yeah, so that is all I got from House of Leather. I will take you guys on a journey of using these items and more that I will get from them once I have access to one that is well stocked. Anyway guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your favorite piece from this haul that I have shared, and let's talk down in the comment section. Let's chat, give me ideas on how to use all these items that I have showed you. Yeah, and let's help each other. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, like this video, leave me a comment, share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.